Today is cleaning up the wheels day. I just had these sandblasted, and there's 5 because one of the ones that came on the car has a little crack, and it looks like it goes through. It's not necessarily a super big deal, but I'm just not entirely comfortable putting that on the car. So that will probably be the spare. The inspector's here. But I want to show you the backside. This is all going to get polished, of course. These are aluminum wheels. But I just had these sandblasted and got all the old paint on gunk off of the back. So they're super clean. So what I'm going to do is I just wash them. They're drying out now. And then they're going to get this on the inside to just seal everything. So they're going to get that on the back here and also on the inside, because they can rust. If water gets in here or moisture, it can get into the aluminum. So even though, you know, it's on the inside, you still want to seal it, and then that's not good. So I'll address things like this, little gouges. I don't know how that got in there, but that's not good. Yikes. Yeah, so I'll address those issues, get these things ready, get some paint on there. I think this is the one I picked up. Hopefully it's going to be okay. This is the one I got recently off of eBay. So I hope it's all right. I think it will be. All right, so next phase will be painting these and then polishing. That's going to be a lot of work. Okay, we're here on the side yard. I got the 5 wheels here. We're going to shoot it with this POR15 top coat silver for the inside, or the back side, and the inside of the tire area, just to seal these up and give it some protection. This is a direct to metal paint, so no undercoat, no primer. It's about 30 to 60 minutes between coats. I'm going to do two light coats, and just using the little McGraw, just a little 8-gallon HarborFreight compressor, and this little HarborFreight gun, cheapy gun, and it works fine. You'll see. Here we go. This is after the first coat. So that's where it started, and that's one coat of the POR silver top coat. Pretty happy with the way this is starting. I might just leave it at 1 coat, or do a very thin second coat, because I think this is enough, and I don't want to get too much paint on here, because you get too much paint, it just chips off. A little bit of paint just to cover is fine. This stuff is pretty amazing. It kind of spreads out when it hits a surface. Yeah, so we'll check back in a little bit. I'm going to set a timer for 30 minutes right now, and then I'm going to do the sides, or the inside, and then I might go back over and do the inside car side of the rims just one more time if I have enough paint. Okay, just want to show you guys the finished product. This is after 1 coat, and I think I might just leave it with 1 coat, because it seems to seal pretty well. There's a couple other wheels here. And just for reference, I did 5 wheels, inside, backside, with 1 coat, and I used a half a quart. So that's it. What do you guys think?